We'll be looking at how to add geodatabase file or file geodatabase from ArcGIS Pro or ArcGIS Desktop to QGIS. So we have a QGIS here and we want to add that quickly in this class. So to do that, you will come up to where we have as layer up here on your QGIS, and then you come down to add layer. From add layer, you're going to go down to add vector layer. So once you click on it, we have file, we have the directory, we have database and all of that. So for adding a geodatabase file or personal geodatabase, you click on directory. So once you click on directory, here we have what we call automatic and all of that. Or it's actually the encoding, so we'll leave it at automatic. So the type is only one. You have open file geodatabase. So once those are arranged in that format, you come down here to this three dot you're seeing here. You're going to click on it. So once you click on it, you navigate to the folder that is having your geodatabase file. So I have this. Either of these are all geodatabase file geodatabase. Either I'm using East Province, you see showing the folder, which means it's a file geodatabase, or it's this Eastern Province route or Overton or base map. So I'm going to either of them. I'm just going to pick this one here, this geodatabase Eastern Province. It's actually Saudi Arabia, Eastern Province of Saudi Arabia. So I'm going to click on select. Now, once you click on select, you come here, it says list all tables. So I'm going to click on it, change it from default to yes. So once I click on yes and I click on add, it will just pop up all the list of tables or all the things that are on the file geodatabase. So I'm just going to click on select all and I'll wait a bit. You either click on select all or you use your hand to select them one by one. So if I don't want all of them, I'll just select the ones I needed, right? So this will be everything in, whether it's a polygon, line, point, they're all going to be inside. So once I've done that, I'm going to click on add layers. So once I click on add layers, you see that it begins to add them. And once that's done, I'm going to click on close. So once I click on close, you will see that everything that is inside the file geodatabase have been successfully been added. You can see the lines, that's the road. You can see the points, and all that is within this have been added to this. So thank you for watching, and do stay tuned to repractice, and I will see you in the next class.